Chapter 1, Section 2. Your driving task. The driving task includes all the mental, social, and physical skills required to drive. To perform the driving task with low risk, you must develop habits for using knowledge and visual skills, judging speed, time, and space, anticipating how your car will respond under ordinary and emergency conditions. Mental skill. Safe, low-risk driving involves critical judgment and continuous monitoring. Monitoring the roadway to stay alert for any unpredictable actions of drivers or pedestrians is a habit you want to develop in order to protect yourself and your passengers. Social skills. All drivers bring their own problems and skill levels to our driving world. Like all social tasks, driving requires you to interact with other people. A big part of your driving task will be applying social skills to stressful situations to avoid conflicts. For example, if you can't control an angry driver, you will have to remain calm and patient in order to diffuse a potentially dangerous situation. As a courteous driver, you need to make an effort to work with other drivers so that you don't lose focus and make driving mistakes. Physical skills. Skills such as smooth use of acceleration and braking and steering controls are examples of physical skills that you need to practice so they become habits. Scanning your rear view mirror every few seconds is another physical skill that you will want to become a habit. You'll need to develop eye-hand coordination so that you'll acquire the habit of using the controls effectively and in a timely manner. IPDE process. The IPDE process is an organized system for seeing, thinking, and responding during the driving task. IPDE is an acronym for identify, predict, decide, and execute. I in identify important information in the current driving situation. P in predict when and where possible points of conflict may develop. D in decide when, where, and how to communicate, adjust speed and or change position to avoid conflict. E, execute the correct action or actions to prevent conflict. To help you use the IPDE process more effectively, you will also learn about the zone control system, which is a method for managing space around your car. Understanding zone control will help you apply the IPDE process. In that way, you can manage all the information you need to make responsible decisions that reduce the risk of driving. Once you have mastered the IPDE process, you will be able to practice low-risk driving, which means that you will constantly monitor other vehicles and roadway users around you, and you will not assume others will do what you think they should do. Low-risk driving enables you to actively avoid hazardous situations.